here we have a Yamaha 1996 200 horsepower Saltwater Series outboard, and the symptom that we're having is that it's very hard to get it to start. And as you start to dig into this engine, you start to notice that some of the spark plugs are not really firing. They have a weak spark, and then sometimes they wouldn't spark at all. And it was an intermittent issue. It wasn't on just one bank or just a certain spark plug. It was kind of moving around. It was a little sporadic, and every now and then we would be able to get the engine started, as you see here. And it's not running right. You can see it smoking. It's not sounding like it's firing on all cylinders. So how did I figure out that it was a bad spark or weak spark? And the way I did it was I went ahead and I bought this piece that you see here. Basically, one end will go into the boot of the spark plug, and then the other end will go right into the spark plug that you have already in the outboard. And it's basically an inline tester, and when it fires, it'll show you a light if you're getting spark. So after a lot of troubleshooting, this was the piece right here. This is the pulsar coil. It's underneath the flywheel. This was giving us all the electrical and the spark issue. As you see in the diagrams, you kind of get an idea of where it's at. If you're having a similar issue with your outboard, try to troubleshoot this piece right here. It might be it. Hopefully it is. And hopefully this video helped you out. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe.